We are going to focus only on three of these six types. We are going to talk about essay, report, and thesis. In an essay, the structure of it is simply, as you know, an introduction paragraph, a body paragraph, or paragraph. So the body can consist of one or more paragraphs, as well as a conclusion. In the introduction, you just brief what is the whole essay about. In the body, you are going to talk in detail about the topic. And in the conclusion, you are going to summarize what you have been talking about. In a report, it consists of an introduction, method that you follow to do your assignment or your application if you are working on an application, as well as the result of that project, a discussion, and a conclusion. And this all supposed to be in a couple of pages. It may be about 6,000 words. While in the essay, it could be 1,500 up to 3,000 words. Lastly, but not least, is the thesis. So in a thesis, it may consist of up to 20,000 words. And mostly it's going to be a detailed description about a software, an application that you have been developing. So in the thesis, it is structured as chapters. Chapter 1 will be an introduction about your project. Chapter 2 will be a literature review. Chapter 3, methodology. Chapter 4, design and implementation. While Chapter 5 is a conclusion. Remember that in each chapter, there will be sections as well as subsections. So for example, in the introduction chapter, you may have a section for overview, another section for research questions, one more section for problem statements, etc., etc., etc. We are going to discuss more examples about thesis, report, and essay in our classroom. Just to sum up, structure means you are writing in a clear way. Remember, there are several types of academic text, as well as each of these texts has its own structure. That's all. See you next class.